Welcome to the walk around video of the Fiat 500 2014. It's a petrol in a nice dark metallic blue with silver rims there. Lovely chrome fittings on the edge, and then the back. This has got 4 seats, but with 2 comfortable fittings. I'd say 2 small children in the back. We've got a nice interior which we'll go into in a second, but a fantastic little city car. Looks fantastic today. I know it's raining, but it does kind of bring out the paintwork shine, to be fair. It looks great. Let's take a look inside. So taking a look inside, we can see that we've got a steering wheel, obviously with the media controls on either stem. We've got plenty of stuff going on the dashboard, trip computer, etc. A pretty simple MP3/media player. Obviously we've got FM and AM radio, no DAB in this one, but there is obviously CD player and connections via USB and auxiliary. That's charged and supplied by the Blue and Me system. We have, obviously as a Fiat, we have quite a nice design interior wise. Nice accent that matches the outside colour. Pretty standard controls for the aircon. We've got up and downs on the windows as well, which aren't actually on the doors, but they're actually in here. So it's nice that, in a sense, that all the controls are on this centre panel, so you know that if you want to do something with the car, it's going to be to do with this central bit here. Obviously we have a sunroof as well. This isn't really ideal for this type of weather, as you can see, but it's a fully extendable sunroof that comes all the way back, and you've got a cover, if it is a miserable day, to close it. We've got a nice leather/cloth mixture with a red trim around the sides, which looks really smart, and it's very, very comfy. In fact, we've got the classic Fiat 500 headrest. That's obviously a staple throughout all the Fiat 500s ever made, and well designed cloth seats at the back as well, with a little bit of extra leather there too. This is actually a tax-free car as well, so you don't actually have to pay any tax on the road to use this. It is a it's not even a litre in terms of engine power, but obviously to get to work and back in the city or in town, this is the ideal car. It ticks all the boxes. Don't have to pay any road tax. The miles per gallon, you're getting 40 to 50 easily without even having to try. There is no Eco Pro mode or Eco mode or whatever, but you have got a very simple petrol car that does the job, and it looks great, and it's got that extra kind of special personality about it as well. I do like Fiats and the personality that they bring to the car market. So that is the Fiat 500 at Anchor Cars. If you're interested, give us a call. Our number's on the website, obviously. Any of the sales team would be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching.